even Land Rover dealers struggling to supply cars like we do at the moment. Another one out of the absolute top drawer. 2021 registered Defender 90 SE in the all-important new 3-litre diesel engine in Santorini black. This car's beautiful because it's Santorini black with an ivory leather interior. Removable tow bar, all important for Defender owners, or lots of Defender owners. It's also an SE spec, which gives it Meridian sound, electric memory seats with the full leather, the clear sight interior mirror, opening panoramic sunroof. This car is literally as good as it gets if you're looking for a Defender. Priced at £60,990, covered only 4,000 miles. Is it the best one we've had for a long time? I do believe it is. It's all black with the 20-inch black wheels, red braking calipers. But being an SE model, we've got the Matrix LEDs. Again, it makes the car for me having those. The black light surrounds, front and rear parking sensors, cameras all around the vehicle. The Defenders are just the coolest truck on the road right now. One of the most in-demand four-wheel drives you can actually source in the marketplace today. And then this one, literally, it really is as good as it gets spec-wise. For the money, steps from factory, not aftermarket. Red braking calipers, just making this, breaking that black section up on the car. Privacy glass to the rear. Being an SE, we've got keyless entry, we've got keyless start, we've got the full-size spare, the beautiful square rear lights. Just beautiful, isn't it? Look at it. Absolutely stunning looking vehicle. The 90, baby brother of the 110, but still got the space. You've got the lovely little boot liner in here from factory again. This car's got rubber floor mats throughout, which I think is a nice touch. Removable tow bar again. It's important. Very difficult to come by tow bars on these cars. Also very difficult to supply as an aftermarket thing. It's got it. You don't need to go and buy it. It's there. It's ready. And then an SE spec, so automatically looking into the mirror, we've got lane departure warning available on the SE, keyless entry, a little button here, opens up the door. Look at the interior of this car. Full ivory leather interior, very rare, lots of these cars are black. The first one we've had with black and full ivory leather, the digital dash, the clear sight rear view mirror, which is the rear camera, electric memory seat, Meridian sound system, heated front seats, then the panoramic sunroof. That's just not just the glass fixed, it's fully opening as well, which I'll show you as we go inside the car. The car's covered 4,000 miles, is only, well, it's less than a year old, in beautiful, beautiful condition all round. Manufacturer's warranty with Land Rover, breakdown assistance, all intact. So it's literally a safe car to buy. Look at it inside. The new generation Defender is ultra modern, ultra cool. The leather interior is beautiful. That'll sell this car. Meridian sound system. The steps make it easy to jump in. You'll see I've mentioned the mats again. They're an extra. You have to go and buy those. You don't get them from standard. Then we've got keyless entry, keyless start, the panoramic roof, which tilts and slides back. We've also got the powered blind to shut that roof off if you don't want it there. New operating systems in these Land Rovers is fabulous. We've got, as you can see, electric steering column, which is really, really nice. The cameras are incredible on these cars, so full surround view camera, towing camera. The 3D operation of these things is just out of this world. It really is. So that is as good as it gets for a camera system on the car. If you watch YouTube videos on these Defenders, you can watch hundreds and hundreds online. There's nothing bad to say about them. The off-road performance is second to none. So you're buying a car that's, yes, usable on the road, yes, great to drive in a normal format around the town, but also it has got a general use, and it is supposed to be an off-road vehicle, and it performs at every level doing that. Electric seats, your controls are down here with electric lumbar support. That's an SE spec. The Meridian sound system with the extra speakers, which is also beautiful. And then your climate control with heated seats. You just push the sections here. You can put your seats on. The climate control is literally just a twist. Heated front and rear screens. Under the armrest, we've got more space here. We've got this removable little liner that you can put in the front of the car. Loads of cubby hole space down there. 2 keys for the car. With 4,000 miles on it, it's as good as it gets. 4,565 exactly. But the car looks brilliant. All black, 21-inch black wheels, nicely broken up by those red braking calipers. The black bonnet inserts. Important features, again, I'll just recap. The tow bar, the sunroof, the interior full leather colour, the LED matrix lights, the wheels, the steps. It's got it all, it really has. 60,990 going live now. as good as it gets. Thanks for watching.